It is Nacho Day 2023, and that means it's time to celebrate with some nachos. For this year's nacho entry, I'm making nachos inspired by a Cubano Cuban sandwich. Okay, let's make it. Let's cover a pan with some white tortilla chips. I'm gonna toast these in a 180-degree oven for about 10 minutes. In a bowl, I need a couple tablespoons of relish and a drained can of green chilies. Mix that together and set it aside. In a pan, I need 10 ounces of lager, a teaspoon of meat seasoning, some shredded Swiss cheese, some shredded Monterey Jack cheese. Stir until melted over medium heat. Then add more cheese, so it's 8 ounces of each type. Keep stirring until smooth, about 4 minutes, and then keep it warm. In another pan, I need a half cup of lager, quarter cup of yellow mustard, and a shake of black pepper. Combine that and cook it for about a minute. To that, you need to add about 8 ounces of sliced deli ham and sliced smoked pork roast. Stir to coat the meat. Then we're going to cook this about 3 minutes until the liquid's reduced a bit. On top of those chips, let's add that meat first. And then that cheese gets dribbled on top. And then comes the relish and green chilies on top of that. Cubano Nachos ready for serving. I couldn't be more ready. Whoa. The mustardy meat is really fun. And that cheese sauce is like a fondue poured on top. And I'm digging those green chilies and pickles. It's the perfect nacho. Celebrate Nacho Day 2023. I'm hosting a nacho collaboration with many more channels celebrating Nacho Day. Just check out my hashtag Nacho Day 2023 to see more recipes. Or check the link in my description. You'll see a playlist. A spider just crawled onto my keyboard. Don't worry, it's under control.